Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to change and modify your Firefox home screen content. So typically if you open up a new tab in Firefox, that if you're not using an extensions to bypass a new tab page, it should take you to the Mozilla Firefox home page. Then I'll show you how to modify. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, and then click mo lang dito yung 3-line icon na to. So click mo lang yan. And then next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. So dito lang sa general, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung home. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa home, scroll down at dito lang sa Firefox home content, pwede na tayong mag-modify. Okay, so choose what content you want on your Firefox home screen. So meron ditong web search, so pwede mong check from box or uncheck. And then meron naman ditong shortcuts, sites, usage, or visits, and then yung reset activity, pwede mo naman itong check or uncheck mo siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan, and then open tayo ng another tab. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito yung recent activity, yung mga sites na nakapin dito mga kaibigan. Right, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change and modify Firefox home screen content. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.